Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 14 minus 7 bracket 14 minus 7. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this because they write 14 minus 7 as 7, 14 minus 7 as 7 and 7 times 7 is 49, which is the incorrect solution. Why? When you have multiple operations are given like this, subtraction, bracket and then subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D multiplication and division both have same priority, just solve it from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now write the left terms. 14 minus 7. When you remove the bracket and there is no symbol, just simply put the multiplication sign. Now we have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per this rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. Multiplication is between 7 and 7. So 14 minus 7 times 7 is 49. So it becomes 25. 35 with negative sign. So what is the correct answer? Negative 35, not 49. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you learned something new, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.